Stop running after unqualified leads. Most teams do not have a lead problem, they have a structure problem. Every inquiry lands in the same place, every record looks urgent, and sales wastes time following up with people who were never a fit. The fix is not another reminder workflow. A workflow can move a bad lead faster, but it cannot repair a bad data model. Qualification has to happen before the team commits human attention and before the CRM calls that inquiry a real opportunity. Inside GoHighLevel, I build a qualification gate around the questions that matter for that business: budget, timing, project type, ownership, and location fit. Pass the minimum bar and the lead can move forward. Miss it and the record gets parked instead of chased. Now take a realistic service business. One customer can own several properties. The customer is the commercial relationship. The buyer, billing details, decision history, and long-term value. That account should stay stable even when locations, site contacts, and individual jobs change underneath it. Under that account, each property becomes its own operating context. Property A might be downtown, property B might be a warehouse, property C might sit outside the service area. Flatten those into one contact and nobody can tell which location the inquiry actually belongs to. Each location can also have a different person on site. Sarah may manage one building while another property has no local contact at all. The main buyer still owns the relationship, but operational communication has to reach the person connected to the correct property. Jobs sit one level lower again. One property may need an inspection, another may need recurring maintenance. These are not duplicate opportunities and they are not extra contact records. They are separate pieces of work attached to the location where delivery actually happens. Once those relationships are clean, routing becomes simple. Qualified location, qualified job, and a clear decision maker create an opportunity for the right follow-up path. Weak fit, missing budget, or the wrong service area gets parked, nurtured, or rejected without becoming a sales emergency. This is where the pipeline stops being a dumping ground. The customer history remains clean, the location tells us where work belongs, and the job tells us what needs to happen next. Sales sees qualified commercial opportunities instead of a mixed list of forms, calls, and notes. Then I prove the model inside GoHighLevel. The account view shows the commercial relationship. Linked location records show each property. Site contacts and jobs stay connected to the right place. The opportunity board only carries work that has already passed the qualification gate. The honest part is that GoHighLevel does not design this architecture for you. You still have to decide what the customer owns, what belongs to a location, when a job becomes an opportunity, and which missing answers should stop the team from following up. That is how you stop running after unqualified leads. The CRM filters first, preserves the real customer relationship, and gives every property, contact, and job the correct context. Your team follows up where attention can actually become revenue. Subscribe for more real automation builds.